Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a quick little fishing hack, little tip. I went to the store here to buy me some things I needed, you know, stuff like this, and so I decided to sneak in. I just saw this is real cheap Walmart brand, but I saw these right here, and I was like, okay, that's only like $1.50. Okay, and then I needed a jig head to pair it up with. So I got a 1/16 ounce jig head, like a Mimic Minnows type jig head, for $1. Add that to the mix. Old lady won't know a thing, baby. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. See what these Walmart wars are talking about. Well, dang, brother. Oh. Hope he's okay. Start the day off with a, looks like a smallie. First fish on the Walmart lure, brothers. It's a largemouth. We're gonna throw him back in there. He'll be right here in this deep pool. Yep. First cast on the Walmart lures. I don't even have a good angle on that, do I just slow reeled that boy. Start the teak, set the hook. Hello. Oh man, the smallies are out, or the bass are out. It's crazy the colors I'm getting on these things. Oop. Looks like the same fish. Yeah, he wanted that. He wanted that. For sure. Not bad, man. Not bad for, what did I pay? $1.50 for the plastics and $1 for 2 jig heads. Little thick guys. I mean, these are pretty cool. I mean, he jumped like crazy. All right. Don't get much better than that, especially when you're talking about the price you pay. Like per lure is a big deal. Yeah, see, he jacked me up a little bit, but we're all good. So nice setup, man. It's not terrible. Easy to hit, obviously. That's what I like. All right, first one of the day. It's like a little smallie. I threw it right in that current and hit him up. He hit it immediately. Give me a second, brother. Where's that hook at? All right, brother, chill. Golly. The bass so far have loved this Ozark Trail. Come on, man. You're just tearing it up. All right, man. I took him out of the water pretty quick. Golly, brother. Ouch, he finally got me. Ouch. He rehooked himself. I thought he was hooked up the top. Now he's at the bottom. Jeez. He made sure to get me too. It's the way to do it. Thought it was a smallmouth, but looks like a largie now. Pretty cool, man. First fish on. Caught him right there in the current. Oh no, I don't. Sorry. I think that might be a spotted. Looks like you got a pretty big mouth though. It's either spotted or smaller, or a larger. Alright, cool. Yep, he's already up there and flipping out. Oh, we're gonna lose him. Oh, we lost him. I knew I was gonna lose him. That was a nice fish. Wow. I saw something shine over there. I thought I had enough of you guys. You probably one I caught previously. Come to think of. Yeah, I saw a shimmer over there. I was like, let me go see what that's all about. A nice little bullhead, man. See his little pop rivets? Little pop rivets? There you go, brother. Yep. Get the slime. Get the orange and yellow slime on it, brother. Oh. Alright, brother. Alright, chill out, family. Man, you got some hops. Don't get in this grate. Oh boy, got some hops. We got the Michael Jordan of them boys right there, bud. He was getting some bounce over there. Alright. He hopped over that boy, did he? Wow. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, we don't want you falling, brother. That is stunning right there. Look at this guy. Absolutely gorgeous. Got like a little pink around his gill there thing. Absolutely beautiful fish. Yes. Gorgeous. Thick guy. Beautiful. That's probably the prettiest fish I've almost ever caught. That'd be an aquarium fish for sure. Awesome, brother. There's nothing that's not pretty about you. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at you, man. Yes. Awesome, man. Thanks for stopping by, brother. Good luck out there, family. Yeah, he had a bunch of little worms on him and stuff, but that's cool. That's a really nice fish. There we go. He lost his mind on it. What you got there, brothers? What is this? I'll be dang, just a creek chub. He looked like something different for a second there. I knew there was some creek chubs in here. Tell you what, that'd be perfect bait, man. Cut or alive. Yeah, you hear him? He was chirping at me. Something swiping over here real hard, so we're gonna see if we can use a paddle, a small paddle to get it. Like I'm talking about swiping. Got him. First cast. Where's my drag set? Every time I see it, saw guy. Every time I see that situation, it's a saw guy. He's beautiful too, dark. Man, this hook is never. He held on though. Man, I thought that was a monster for a second. Every time, brothers. Every single time I come out. And it's a beautiful fish. He's so dark. Every time I come out and I see those little swipes, and the minnows go crazy. Saw a guy every time. He's beautiful. Got green right there. Gorgeous, buddy. All right, buddy. Thanks for coming. Good luck out there. Oh, yeah, I thought that was a monster. Legit thought that was gonna be a monster fish. First cast on the paddle tail. Walmart special. It gets jacked up, but it works for a little while. So.